Who said it doesn't rain in Spain? Bloody does, mate. And we're going to find out what the video is like on this rainy day with the Oakley Meta. I think they're called the HTNs or HSTNs or something. Look, they're weird. I look a bit like my granddad wearing these though. That's a bit worrying.
No, you don't.
I do. He used to wear a similar style in the 50s. Well, not Metas, but similar. Oh, look, it's like a MontePego. It's like a river. This could be tricky, girl.
Okay.
I think we need some demisting action. Yes. Look, it's just around this corner, Teagan, that we get to gaze on the beautiful Mediterranean. Look at that view! Oh, yeah. This is River MontePego. Visibility gets much better as you come out of the clouds. Look, you can actually see the fields now. Oh, we've got a waterfall. Don't slow down and ruin it. I want to go fast through these puddles. Oh, mate. Come on. It's not going to wash you away. This isn't a first gear puddle. Everything's going to be so green after these weeks and weeks of rain. Oh, I forgot we're due an oil change. I wonder if the water will lube the engine up enough. There's the little turning for the black flame. Let's drive up this river. Better be open. I think it is. Woohoo! I think they had the same idea. Ah!
I like that smell of the fire smell.
Rainy, rainy.
Look, these are the first.
Gone through to the bar. Let's go through. Hello. How about this little table here? Which one do you fancy? Where are we going today? I think I know exactly what I'm doing. The greedy boy. 3 eggs, 3 bacon, 3 toast, 3 sausages, mushrooms, hash brown, beans and tomatoes. Oh yeah. Pretty solid rain today. We're on fire. Some days need a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit.
And can I add avocado? Can you add
Avocado? Don't be so fancy. Add avocado. So American. The coffee is good. I think these are the wrong way round. That's my one. And that's for you. Look at that bad boy. Thank you.
some water, please? Still water? Yes.
Oh, I think mine might be the big boy. Oh yes. That is a lot. I don't know if I can finish it. I might have to have a little breather, have a little rest.
You know you're going to finish it.
No, I can't do it. Too much. I'm defeated. I give up defeated. Let's help her out. Who's that daughter of mine?
Next to the fire.
And sleep off the food. Oh yeah, it'd be good to come down here for a carve. It looks good. Thank you, bye. Still raining, but not as hard. Aye, aye, aye. I thought Teagan had fallen over then. Well, and that's that. I think I'll have to go a little bit on fast forward to get past the very wet journey home. It's been pretty much raining 24 hours out here in the Denia, Alicante, Valencia border area, Costa Blanca. And this was a nice little trip with number one daughter, the eldest, and one and only Teagan, out for some breakfast at the Black Flame in Pedreguer. If you're in the area, recommend it. Really friendly staff and good nosh. So that's it. Back to MontePego. We'll see you next time.
Should crumble to the sea.